I think that's kind of an opening door for something else that we've been talking about, which is the curiosity around private related assets and the opportunity to invest in those through the public markets and through ETFs. Actually, we did an AMA on the Global X YouTube channel where we got a very specific question about how do I go about investing in private assets through ETFs. Is this an area that's getting more attention right now?
A ton, and it is, in my opinion, the next frontier of growth of products. For those of you that are watching, private markets are really what it is it gives you exposure to something that is really illiquid, generally speaking. So a private credit, I'm talking about private equity, I'm talking about real estate. Historically, an ETF really couldn't invest in a building. So you would buy an ETF that buys a REIT, for example, something that's publicly traded, because at the end of the day, the ETF is a liquid wrapper. So if you put something that's illiquid in it, then the question was always like, how do we do this? But now that's actually possible. So now in theory, you can buy an ETF that buys a piece of a building. And that's been a big part of the evolution and where we're seeing a lot of the conversations. How do you price that ETF? How do you price that asset on a daily basis? How do you trade that asset on a daily basis to sustain creates and redeems and people buying and selling that ETF?
All right, so another trend to be watching there. Andres, thanks very much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.